Hi guys, welcome to Ketoverse 24/7. Today we have delicious keto honey mustard rotisserie chicken salad, a low-carb keto recipe. Before continuing our low-carb keto recipe, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe our channel for more updates on keto recipes and diet plans. You can follow us on social media, links are in the description. You can also order your custom keto meal plans and cookbooks right now by clicking link in our description. So let's continue our today's video, stay tuned. Honey mustard rotisserie chicken salad. This salad is pure perfection. The rotisserie chicken is excellently paired with the dressing, which has a tangy flavor and a little bit of sweetness. It's very easy to make because you just toss everything in a bowl. It's so delicious that you can finish this salad without even noticing. Servings. 1. Ingredients. 1/2 cup diced rotisserie chicken. 1 cup shredded romaine. 1/4 cherry tomatoes, halved. Servings. 1. Ingredients. For the dressing, 2 teaspoons Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon sugar-free honey, 1 teaspoon cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon olive oil, pinch of black pepper, pinch salt. Procedure. 1. Whisk together all ingredients for the dressing in a bowl. 2. Toss in all remaining ingredients. Nutritional information. Energy 324 kcal. Protein 20 grams, 27%. Fat 23 grams, 65%. Carbohydrates 7 grams, 8%. Fiber 2 grams. Thank you so much for watching this recipe. Please like and share this recipe and do subscribe our channel for more updates on ketogenic diet plans and recipes. You can follow us on social media, links are in the description. You can also order your custom keto meal plans and cookbooks right now by clicking link in our description. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. See you in the next video.